So today we are back to hack Cel-Lite magic, or Cel-Lite. It's not Cel-Lite, it's Cel and then light magic. But there's a lot of oils that help with circulation, like grapefruit is in it. But we were just saying that, you know, it's not very perfumey, very grapefruit smelling, and we were thinking we wanted it to smell better. Smell more.
So it's got a very strong grapefruit smell, and I'm not sure if it's the cedarwood or what, but it's very strong
And woody.
It's not like this smell that you're like, ooh, that smells really good, I want to lather it all over my body, right?
So we want to make it, we want to like help it out a little bit.
So all right, so what do you recommend? I'm thinking the geranium.
That's exactly what I was thinking. We were both thinking geranium. Like, it needs flowers.
It needs some flowers.
It has lavender in it? Flower in it?
Let's see, I just read this. It has grapefruit seed oil, cypress, cedar wood, juniper, clary oil, sweet almond oil, and then olive fruit oil. I don't think those have as much of a fragrance. So those are kind of the base.
Cypress and juniper are trees, and cedarwood's a tree, so it's very tree smelling. But there are no flowers in it, and we're like, you need flowers.
A lot of trees with a lot of grapefruit. Yeah.
Probably needs some lavender too, because geranium alone does not fix things.
Lavender.
10. So I started with 10 of these, but you see, it's a large bottle. So just like when we tried to fix the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, it was like a large. It's gonna need like 90 drops or something.
Yeah, this is 3.7 ounces. This is 8 ounces. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So it's twice as much as the other. We might need twice as much. Start with that.
That won't fix it, but it's a good start.
Let me see. I'm just curious.
But geranium and lavender are really good for your skin. So while you're trying to deal with these, it helps a lot.
It's nice.
Okay. So 10 drops of geranium alone, you could just do that and be like, that's all right.
I probably would do more geranium.
Instead of lavender.
Well, you know what?
But you like lavender. That's why I was like, let's do 10. Want to just do 5 of lavender or 10?
Yeah, do 5 because it's pretty strong.
Lavender is pretty strong, yeah.
So we can always add more. You can't take it out, right? No. You can add to it.
Now there's a lymph challenge where they're adding different oils to this, but we're not doing that. We're just trying to make it smell good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
Right.
So.
The lymph challenge, they're taking multi-greens and then they're adding some different oils, like a bottle of cypress to this.
No, this is starting to smell.
See, but we're just trying to make it yummy.
Yes.
So geranium and lavender are really good for your skin, so we're making it yummy and we're also helping your skin. And like they're both aging friendly. They're my top oils for aging. I do like it much better.
I already shook it.
Shake it. You think it needs some peppermint? Bergamot.
No. I keep touching my nose with everything.
Do you want bergamot or do you want more geranium?
Where is bergamot? Let me smell bergamot and smell. Let me smell. Let's see.
It's a citrus oil. It's another one of those oils that will
but that's nice.
Photosensitize you.
That's oh really? Okay, we gotta be careful with that.
But if you're only putting it on where you have your Cel-Lite, as long as you're not going straight to the pool.
Well, my challenge is I tend to like just slather.
You burn.
It's like, no, I just slather it on. So, but just put a couple drops. I don't think 2 drops will hurt, right? I guess worst cases I can find out. I don't think I don't have that one.
I do. I have a lime. Maybe we have to find it again. But
yeah, that's the only thing. You just
unless you want the bergamot in it. I think the lime will make it smell better. Okay. Without photosensitizing. If you're going to rub this all over your legs, we don't want anything.
Yeah, that's the only thing. I have to say.
Well, it already has grapefruit in it, so you could put that in it because you're already.
Good point.
You're already there. I know. I'm going to say, oh yeah, we're already there.
Okay, how many?
I think it's bergamot. It's really like another one of we've just made this menopause friendly. Menopause friendly Cel-Lite. Because, most of us don't like our thighs by the time we're over like 40 or 50. We're like, that could be better. So we're already using this because presumably we want our circulation to be better. So let's add some skin stuff.
Ooh, that's a thought too.
See, we got all this we're spilling on the counter. We're wasting oil.
I know.
No, we gotta. I know what is it. By the end of the day, I would have had like how many drops of oil I would have had on my body. Well, you like it better?
Yeah, it's starting to get nice.
You love it or you like it? Do you like it as well as this one?
I think it needs less citrus flavor and more. I'm gonna add some more lavender. What do we do? 5?
No, I thought you liked the geranium better.
Geranium? All right, geranium.
I did geranium just because you really like the geranium after we added it, and I'm like, I feel like it needs geranium to pull it up.
10 again.
10 more. So now we have 20 total of geranium.
Yeah, I'm just thinking it is a massive bottle, and there's a lot of.
But you know what? It's not taking. I thought this Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood took a lot more to overcome it, whereas this is actually coming along much faster.
Sandalwood.
Like we'll probably be able to do this one in 50 drops, and that one took us at least 90 drops to fix.
Yeah, that's actually pretty nice.
You like it now?
Yeah, I can totally use that.
Right. I still smell it.
Well, the grapefruit's strong. I don't mind the
Like
grapefruit.
basically they pour a whole
But
bottle of grapefruit in.
I kind of wonder. But it's good. Yeah, it's good for you, so.
Discover renewed, vibrant looking skin. That's what they say on the bottle. It's going to be renewed and vibrant looking, all right, especially once we add it.
I'm going to do a little bit more lavender. Maybe what, 3, 2, 5?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Like, is it lavender can get overwhelming?
I
think ever since I added it to food once and I found it overwhelming, that I've been sort of like afraid of lavender. I'm just like, okay, wait, 1 drop in the lemonade, do not add. And a big gallon of lemonade, 1 drop of lavender will like really like, you know.
Yeah. That's nice.
Okay, so it's nice. It didn't, the
Yeah,
lavender
it's not too
didn't
much.
like take over.
I keep touching my nose.
Yeah, it definitely kind of dulled down.
What about you? Did we do peppermint? Should we do like a couple of peppermint? Just like
not?
2?
Because that's good for circulation anyway.
Yeah, there you
I
go.
like peppermint.
Very good point. So how many, what do you think, 2?
I wouldn't do
3?
a lot of peppermint either.
2, 3, what do you think?
Less than 5. 5 or less.
Okay, we'll do 3.
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
Because yeah, juniper and cypress are both like in the pine tree family, I think. So that's why you're getting a lot of pine and grapefruit that you have to overcome out of these.
3 peppermint. But you know we haven't put any blends, which is a good thing.
We didn't, yeah, because it's already a blend.
I think that something too that maybe we did with this, that we did a lot of blends.
Yeah, we did Joy. We added Joy and Gathering. Those are only 2 blends we use, is Joy and Gathering and that other.
That's nice.
But this one, so the peppermint.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not really like a body spray, like a perfume, but it's definitely something that
it's an oil that has a function, and so
yeah,
like I said, as its original formula, it serves the function of renewed skin. You know,
renewed vibrant skin.
Renewed vibrant skin. But we wanted it to smell good too, like something we would wear. It didn't smell bad. It just wasn't something I would wear.
Anything else, or do you think it's good?
This is yours. I have one at home, but I've used half my bottle as is.
That was too strong, the bergamot.
You thought it was too strong?
I mean,
I couldn't smell it.
I mean, it was not strong. I say that. It's got that citrus undertone. We don't need more citrus undertone. I guess that's what I meant to say.
I was say, if you need a ton of flowers,
it's funny, you know, we're balancing like overly woody, overly citrusy.
With overly
flowery.
flowery.
What are you doing?
7. Or 7. I said 5, and then when I was like, then it was like, blah, 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 blah. Use your hands.
Oh.
I'm like, you keep giving the paper towel all over your food.
Don't waste it.
I know.
I have long sleeves. You have like nice
I know.
short
I'm like,
sleeves
I'm
on
gonna
today.
have the best arms tomorrow.
They're gonna be.
Or when I go around people, I'll see how they react to me because I have so many
They're
oils
gonna
on.
be smooth and vibrant looking.
I know. Yeah, and then we had we played with the other stuff today, so I'm like, oh yeah,
Yeah, that's nice. I do like that. You know, I have to say,
much better.
I like the citrus, the really strong citrus base a lot more than I like the sandalwood, the really strong.
Oh yeah, it was easier to overcome the
it was
the pine, you know,
the citrus pine versus the sandalwood. The sandalwood was really strong for me.
Because that wasn't bad, it just wasn't flowery enough. We just had to add to it. But that one you had to like keep overcoming the sandalwood.
So yeah. So now you know, if you do get something that you are not thrilled about the flavor or the aroma, the smells, then you can always just add some of your favorites to it to make it smell better. Exactly. Or you can just give it to your friend.
We've done that too. We have traded things like lipstick colors. You know, I'm like, this was too light for me, and I've given it to her. And like deodorant's like, let's switch deodorant. So we've done a lot of switching.
So that's always fun too,
because we like different things. Like, you know, one person, I've used this just as is out of the bottle, but I'm rubbing it on my thighs, so what do I care? But you know, she wants to put it. She uses it all over, and so she needs it to smell like something she wants it to smell like.
Great.
Since we have banned her from her perfume. If you saw our other video, we tried to hack her perfume naturally.
Yes, yes, which is fine. Yes,
right, exactly.
Which is fine. I know it's funny. I've been finding all these different. You know, speaking of, we talked about what is it, the mermaid spray earlier? Different sprays because I've had so many people that have had so much hair loss for different reasons. Obviously, we know the underlying condition is always the root cause, what you got to focus on.
Stress is really inflammation and stress, and so any viral illness or any stressful event can cause someone to suffer hair loss, and there are a lot of essential oils that help with stress. And so,
but a lot of the sprays I've seen as I've been researching different sprays for people, a lot of them there's a ton of different essential oils that they use as a base, and they're also adding a lot of nutrients into the spray to put directly onto the scalp. Now, of course, your skin will absorb it, which is kind of nice. And then if you do have issues with the hair follicles, I guess it will also help with that too. But
yeah.
just
So
something to
this,
think
when I
about.
put this in my hair, I'm like,
Well, you know,
there's nothing in it that I couldn't put on my scalp, but your hair would be so oily.
Well, you know what I've done a couple of times, and not often, if my hair tends to be more oily than dry. However, a couple of times I've done, I'll use the coconut oil base and use essential oils, and I just put it in my hair and let it sit for like 30 minutes.
It's almost like this. So this would almost condition your hair. You could now
just sit there and just put it in your hair and let it sit, and then go wash my hair.
But this is better because it's a more water-based thing that you could put in your hair. It's got
it's
got essential oils in it, but it's not an oil base. Like I could put this in my hair because my hair will just drink the oil, and the next day I'll be dry again. But if you have oily hair, you'd want to use this one because the oils are going to evaporate, and it's more of a water base.
Right? So, if you put this in my hair would be very oily.
Right, and you have to wash it out. Whereas they're both good for body. You can put them wherever you want, but they're advertised for vibrant looking skin. We might want a vibrant looking scalp. Maybe you're bald. Like a male who wants like a nice looking scalp.
Right. Well, it's funny. We were at dinner the other night, and there's a bald man, and he had his head so shaved that it was literally, you know, that commercial. It was literally shining and it was dark in the restaurant, so those lights were just literally glowing off of his scalp. So maybe he
uses some oil. A lot of them do put oil,
to keep it moist. Yeah. So it was just funny because I'm like, wow, it's just glowing skin on his scalp.
I know. So anytime you have something that, like I said, you can alter and add and make it what you want it to be. So never be afraid.
Because you can always add more. And remember, you can always add more, so don't add too much in the beginning.
Add slowly. That's why we're like, let's do 10, and then let's do another 10, and then let's do another 10, and let's do 5. Because if you did like 30 all at once, you'd be like, whoa, what did I do?
Yes, and notice when we did our little perfume bottles, we were adding 1 or 2 drops of things, right? And this one we were adding 5 or 10 drops. Right?
Because we had such larger volumes.
This one we were starting with like 10 and 20.
These bottles are small, so we're going to add like 1 or 2 drops at a time. But this bottle is larger. We ended up with like 90 different drops of oil in this one.
Like tens of each, right?
This one, it didn't take us as many drops to alter the smell, but we probably got around 50 drops of oil in this. Additional oil. See, smell it. I can still smell the grapefruit, but it's not as alone.
It's not as
before the grapefruit and the pine were it's like grapefruit pine. Like, like a cleaner. It smelled more like a cleaner than something we want to smell like. Whereas once we added a few flowers to it, it was more. Yeah, it smelled like
the first time I used it,
pine salt, but grapefruit. It was like grapefruit pine salt. But
maybe that's what it was. The first time I used it, it was overbearing for me. So.
But geranium and lavender and some other things kind of tilted it towards where we're like, okay, we can wear that.
So have fun with it. There's plenty of resources to find what the oils are for as well, which is always fun.
Yeah, so join us again when we hack some more stuff.
Yeah. For more healthy tips, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.